In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can activate a card evolution here in Clash Royale. This is going to work the exact same no matter what device you're playing on, but before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by obviously opening up Clash Royale, and by default, you're going to land on the battle screen. From here, just go ahead and go over to the cards or collection tab, and it's going to show your current battle deck and all the cards that you earn. Essentially, find the card that has the evolution available, and cards with evolution will show like a little evolution icon on them, kind of up towards the very top. And essentially go ahead and just select it and go to the page. And if you have enough shards, you just have to go from the main one, just like so, over to the evolution tab, just like so, select it. And then of course, it'll kind of break you through it. You do need 6 shards usually to actually get an evolution. But as long as you have enough, tap unlock evolution, confirm, and that evolution is now going to be unlocked. And from here, you just have to find that card in your deck and drag it up to the evolution slots, which is going to be the first 2 slots right here. Now, during battles, after you cycle that card for the required number of times, and everyone is different for the most part, the evolved version will activate, giving it stronger abilities and improved effects. You can also upgrade your cards with coins to increase their stats like damage, health, and range, but upgrading is obviously separate from evolutions. But that is it. That is how you can activate a card evolution here in Clash Royale. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.